Here's a 2017 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, entertainment system with Blu-ray, V6 engine, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver points out, the Pilot might not be fun to drive in the thrilling sense, but knowing that you made a rational, intelligent choice is fun in its own right. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.